In this video, I'll show you how to turn on screen time passcode on iPhone. So if you want to stop someone from accessing to your screen time settings on your iPhone, then this feature is going to help you out. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to set up the screen time passcode on iPhone settings, you just need to open up the settings application from your iPhone or iPad and then scroll down to the screen time. And once you get the screen time here, just go ahead and tap on this. And from the screen time, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll get to see the option lock screen time settings. You just need to tap on this. And this will ask you to set up a screen time passcode. So just go ahead and enter a passcode and re-enter the passcode again. And this is going to ask you to enter your Apple ID, so you can enter and sign in with your Apple ID. If you forget your passcode, you can recover it in future. So I'm not going to do this one. I'm just going to get back from here and I'm going to cancel this and I'm going to skip this. Now the screen time passcode has been enabled. Now if I go to the settings inside the content privacy restriction and if I turn on these settings, you'll get to see it's asking me to enter the screen time passcode. And once I enter the passcode here, this will be enabled. And this is how you actually can set up the screen time passcode on your iPhone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around and thank you very much for watching.